Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in this box. We're going to find out together. It was sent by someone named Fletcher, so hopefully there's a note inside. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright. Go ahead and make a quick cut. You know, my scalpel's holding up pretty well. People were joking it was kind of a caveman edge that I put on this thing a while back, and it is. It's pretty thick, you know, it gets pretty thick pretty quick, and I did what I had to do to get it sharp. That was made for me by a viewer, and was voted by my audience as the designated unboxing tool on this channel. And, oh, what do we have here? Oh yeah, this is the soap! So, I forgot about that. He makes his own soap, and he offered to make me some. And I got to choose. Man, that smells good. Holy cow. Really nice. Thank you for doing that. I'll have to message. You'll get a message from me on Instagram well before you see this. Alright, what do we have? Man, that smells good. Wow. Okay. We have... there's another bag, and I'm trying to get this open so I can get to the knife. Yeah, we have another Spyderco. Wonderful. You guys seem to really like the Spyderco unboxings, and I think it's, I don't know, it's the recognizable box. Spyderco knives are popular, and I make clickbaity thumbnails. That's on purpose, because I want you guys to click on my videos. People always, every now and then I get somebody calling, your thumbnails are so clickbaity, man. Of course they are. Of course they are. You think I don't want people to click on my videos? You silly gooses. All right. Yeah, this guy is still available, by the way. This is a DLT trading exclusive Spyderco Delica in red Zome and CPM 20 CV. This is a knife that you can get right now. I will link it down below. There's an excellent price on this thing, and I honestly have no idea why they didn't sell super fast. I'm guessing people will pick them up after, a lot more people will pick them up after this video, but seriously, get your hands on this thing. It is a ridiculously... I have a high opinion of the design of the Delica. I have my own Delica. Hang on, let me get it out. I have my own Spyderco Delica that my wife bought me as an anniversary gift. Mine's in titanium and the Damascus. Now, with the original Delica, I said the reason I'm kind of over it is because they're using VG10 and FRN, and they want 80 to 90 bucks for it. It should be in a better steel or a more interesting material. This is definitely that. This is a better... I'll take 20 CV over VG10 for sure. It's a super premium steel, but I think these come, and if I'm not mistaken, I think these come in at like $110. Yeah, that's one of the best deals out there as far as 20 CV goes right now. These are, of course, Seki City, Japan Spydercos. But yeah, the design of the Delica is still one that is excellent for EDC. You could still call it one of the best EDC knives out there. And I actually did a video here recently where I named the Spyderco Delica one of the top 10 greatest Spyderco knives of all time, even today in 2021. So yeah, buy this while you can. I don't know if they'll do more runs of this or not, but I will link it down below so you guys can go check it out. It really is something I think you guys would like, and I can tell you now, after handling it, yeah, it's what I expect from the Spyderco Delica, right? You've got a nice, let me wipe the blade off here real quick. You have a nice, that sort of pelican blade, which I found is excellent for EDC. It's nice and thin behind the edge, right? I mean, 20 CV makes sense for this profile, absolutely. You've got nice ergonomics, you've got the lock back, you've got the standard Spyderco clip, and honestly, I think the red Zome looks pretty good. I kind of like this splotchy red and black look. This is just a cool looking knife. Very durable, absolutely capable, and very, very EDC oriented. Absolutely. So this is cool. This is not a review, by the way. I will take a full... I've already reviewed the Delica, actually, a couple of times. We'll take another look at this thing, a closer look in the form of a lengthy overview here in a couple of weeks, so I can give you guys my full thoughts. But yeah, that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. This is really, really cool. Hey, thanks again for the soap. I think that's awesome, and we will absolutely utilize that. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex right there. Can you read it here? Let me just get that up there. There we go. Metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.